Scott, this reminds me of something that Charlie Gasparino was just saying, that, all this volatility is good for some investors slash traders. And we have seen this uptick in traders at home during quarantine, and that seems to be now really affecting the broader averages.
It really does. And this is really one of the first sell-offs that these traders were talking about, whether you want to classify them as the Robinhood traders or whatever, that we've seen since they've all started piling into the market over the last 3-4 months or so. This is healthy. This is warranted. This is great for the market. Now, that being said, where are all the buyers, that were on the sidelines saying, man, when we get that 2-3% sell-off, I'm in? Maybe they came back today, right? Maybe they actually stepped up to the plate and came back today. To the point that was just made about the bank index, yeah, the banks, the financials have been really strong. But don't count out these NASDAQ stocks. Don't count out the Apples, the FANGs especially, and the Microsofts of the world. Just because we had this little sell-off, which was more than warranted, these are still going to be the stocks to own moving forward on the reopen trade or not.
I agree with you.
These are still those stocks to own.
Yep. No, I think that's a really great point.